What's up, Ollie cats? We are going to play Stickman Swing. This is one of my favorite games. Make sure to like and subscribe for good luck. So we're gonna get into the game. Whoa, so tap and hold to start swimming. Nearest hanger. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Oh, swing! I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Oh, he's flying that way. Okay, level 2. We beat that level. Wait, can you change your character? Oh, this is sick. Ooh, superhero. Wait, let's see what the max level was. Oh, I love that dance. Okay, let's go on to level 2. I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Wherever he goes. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. He's literally Spider-Man. Like, it's white like the webs. I mean, how does he do that? Oh, okay, that was sick. Oh, wait. I was still holding and it just level cleared. I guess that's okay. Whee! 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 Spider-Man! Oh! Duck! Okay, let's play. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I immediately got that one. Oh, here's a wait. I'm literally doing nothing. Spider-Man. Oh, I still made it. Oh no, wait, what? Oh yeah, there it is. Level 6. Guys, look. So next one, level 10. So it's just 4 more levels to get to level 10. Now let's go! Okay, that's scared me. Okay, that's little. Okay, that's nothing. Wait, dude. Whoa, Spidey! I still won. I didn't even Spider-Man swings a web. I don't really like the theme song of Spider-Man, so tell me the real one. Like and subscribe below if I'm gonna get to level 10. Good luck. I need good luck, so make sure to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, click it. You just click the button. But if it doesn't let you, just ask the parent or someone a grown-up to help you subscribe. Whee! Oh wait, what? Did he say? Oh, I failed! Again? Oh, I'm still going. Okay. Oh. Spider-Man. Whee! Spider-Man swinging. Whee! Woohoo! Yes! It's so close. Wait, after this level, it's level 10. Wait, when we complete level 10, we're gonna get the new skin. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh no. Oh, that was a close one. Whee! Yes! I complete level 10. That's all. Woo! I'm gonna go speed run. Oh no, that's not a speed run. Speed run. Okay, I got the new skin. Woo! I like that. That's woo! I like that dance. Woo! That was a close one. Oh way! Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, Ollie Cat.